via the Epic Games Launcher can be frustrating. Here are several steps to help resolve this problem. 1. Add DX11 to launch options. Open the Epic Games Launcher and navigate to your library. Click on the three dots next to Let Loose and select Manage. Enable additional command line arguments and enter -DX11. This forces the game to use DirectX 11, which can improve compatibility. Site turn search 2. Update the Epic Games Launcher. Ensure you're using the latest version of the launcher. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. If an update is available, a Restart and Update button will appear. Click it to update. Site turn search 2. Update Windows and graphics drivers. Outdated system software can cause launch issues. For Windows updates, go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update. Click Check for Updates and install any available updates. For graphics drivers, visit the official website of your GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Download and install the latest drivers for your graphics card. Site turn search 4. Run the Epic Games Launcher as administrator. Right-click on the Epic Games Launcher shortcut. Select Properties, then navigate to the Compatibility tab. Check the box labeled Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. Site turn search 5. Repair Easy Anti-Cheat. Navigate to the Let Loose installation directory. Open the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Run Easy Anti-Cheat setup.exe. Select Let Loose from the drop-down menu and click Repair Service. Site turn search 6. Set Easy Anti-Cheat service to automatic. Press Win-R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Locate Easy Anti-Cheat in the list. Right-click on it, select Properties, and set the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply, then OK. Site turn search 7. Delete the HLL folder. Navigate to C, Users, Your Username, App Data, Local, HLL. Delete the entire HLL folder. This will reset the game's configuration files, potentially resolving launch issues. Site turn search 8. Verify game files. In the Epic Games Launcher, go to your library. Click on the three dots next to Let Loose and select Verify. This process will check for and repair any corrupted or missing files. 9. Disable background applications. Some background programs can interfere with the game. Temporarily disable non-essential applications, especially any overlay software or recording tools. 10. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and reinstalling Let Loose. This can resolve issues caused by corrupted installation files. If the problem persists after trying these steps, consider reaching out to the game's support team or visiting community forums for further assistance.